How to automate video editing with Claude Code full tutorial. Video editing is quite repetitive work. Cutting silence, normalizing audio levels, adding intro and outro segments, resizing for different platforms, generating thumbnails. These tasks are going to happen on every video and they follow the same patterns every time. Now, Claude Code can actually automate all of it. This tutorial actually shows you how to build a personal video editing automation pipeline using Claude Code and FFmpeg. Now, FFmpeg, if you're not aware, is actually a software that you can find out over here. So FFmpeg is kind of a free, open source command line tool for processing video and audio. Now, this tool is extraordinarily powerful. It can cut, concatenate, transcode, add effects, overlay text, generate thumbnails, resize, normalize audio, and much more. Now, the challenge to all of this is actually that, you can go ahead and command syntax, which is complex and easy to get wrong. Now, Claude Code is that AI, okay? It's that AI that writes FFmpeg commands and Python scripts for you. So instead of memorizing FFmpeg syntax, you describe what you want, and Claude is going to generate the correct command. Now, together, they are going to form a powerful video automation system. You can simply go ahead and install FFmpeg from ffmpeg.org or via your package manager, which could be, brew install ffmpeg on Mac or choco install ffmpeg on Windows. Now, first and foremost, of course, what you need to do is you're going to come over to your PowerShell and you're going to make sure to have Claude Code for yourself. Okay, so without Claude Code, you will not be able to actually go ahead and get the proper workings of FFmpeg. So to download FFmpeg, as I told you, you are simply going to hit on download over here. It's going to give you the different codes and code files, how you can, bring it in to your project or whatever you have. Now over here, let's say we're going to go ahead and copy this for ourselves. Now, first of all, you're going to put this right into your git bash because it is a git bash line code. So right over here, we're going to paste it. You're going to enter it in. And what that does is it starts downloading FFmpeg into your section. Now, if there is any input output file of FFmpeg, it will add it as so. Now, moving on your PowerShell, what you're going to do is you're going to add Claude Code for yourself because Claude Code is the AI that's going to write those commands. So once you've done that, first of all, automating any type of silence removal. Now, silence removal is the most time-consuming manual editing task for talking head content. Claude Code can actually write a script that does it automatically. You're going to navigate to your video project folder and you're going to run Claude Code. You're going to write something like write a Python script that removes silences from a video file using FFmpeg. Okay, you're simply going to enter that in. Now, the script should accept an input video will, the file path as an argument, detect silence sections below 35 decibels for more than 0.5 seconds. You can even remove those sections, concatenate the remaining parts, and output to a new file with edited appended to original file name. Now, adding a command line flag for adjusting the silence threshold is how this works. Claude generates a complete Python script, and you can pretty much save it as, remove silence.py in a utilities folder, or run it with Python remove silence.py my recording mp4, and it outputs a version with silence removed automatically. That is how simple, straightforward, and easy removing silences will become for you. Pretty incredible, right? Then moving on, you can also get inconsistent audio levels between recordings or between different microphone setups, which is quite a common problem. And you can automate that normalization for yourself. Now this, as you can see, is a Python code to remove silences. Simply add it in for yourself, and you can run FFmpeg to filter all silent intervals, invert those intervals to get the segment worth keeping, And you can build a filter complex with trim or atrim for video or audio stitching everything together with concat. Now that actually encodes the final output at H.264. The only dependency is going to be FFmpeg, and ship it properly with proper Python packages. All right. Now, moving on, every different inconsistent audio needs to be consistent with each other. There could be different microphone setups that are a common problem, and you can automate normalization with it. So you can go ahead and write something like write a Python script that normalizes, let's say, the audio of a video using, let's say, the loud norm filter. Simply write that in. And once you have done that, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and do the same thing it did previously. It's going to create those extensions, add what needs to be added, and remove what needs to be removed. It's that simple, and it is that straightforward. Now, moving on from here, as I said, this batch processing script is going to normalize an entire folder of recordings at once. Now, it's ideal for multi-episode podcasts or video series where audio levels need to match across different episodes. And having this is really important and really for sure and consistent. Now, every video is also going to need an intro and outro appended, and manually adding these in an editor every time is quite repetitive work that automation actually eliminates. And there's different types of things that you can write a Python code for to automate it fully and properly and bring to your proper editor. Now, combining all of these different types of FFmpeg codes, you can turn all of these automations into one master script. Like create a master video processing a pipeline script that runs these steps in a sequence on any video specifically. Remove silence, normalize audio, add intro and outro, export in 3 formats, generate thumbnail candidates, create a simple text file listing all the outputs and their file sizes. So you can do stuff like that and make it a runnable file. Now with this pipeline, processing a new video is going to go from 1 hour of manual editing work to 1 command and 20 minutes of automated processing. Now FFmpeg combined with Claude code is going to generate Python scripts that create a personal video editing automation system that is going to handle the repetitive technical work of production. Now the investment is building the script once, and after that they run automatically once you go through with it, specifically and properly. So that is how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to, actually create scripts for yourself on FFmpeg. And yeah, that is pretty much about it. Use Claude and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.